How to print correctly. Once you have purchased a file, you have three formats: 1:1, letter, and A4. To print, please use a laptop or PC. For Windows, open the required PDF and click the Print button. Select your printer, then select All Pages, More Settings, and choose the A4 format. Check if the file name matches the format you have selected, then click Actual Size and Print. If you are using the letter format, make sure that letter is also selected in paper size. If you plan to print a full-scale format, 1:1, please contact a professional large format printing company. For Mac OS, use the Print button, then choose Actual Size. Scroll down and open Page Setup. Choose A4 or letter paper size, depending on the file you have opened and the paper available, and print. How do I know the print is correct? In every file, you will find a layout guide as well as a 10 by 10 centimeter test square. In the full-scale file, you can also find it in the bottom left corner. Check this area using a ruler. If it matches the dimensions, you have printed everything correctly. Next, trim the margins for a precise fit and join all parts sequentially using the layout guide. Ensure the half circles form a circle and two triangles form a diamond. Follow the numbered layout guide for orientation.